What's up, y'all? Today I'm gonna be unboxing this table over here. It's a sewing table. It's the, what is it? It's the Sullivan's portable sewing table. So let me go ahead. What I do with that blade, son? You took my blade and threw it in the trash can because you didn't want me to cut none with it. Never mind, I got it. I got it right here. I just hid it from myself like I do sometimes, just to make sure I'm on point. All right, so we gonna go ahead. Whoa!
TshirtChick.
Look at all that. My bad. I scared my son. He was about to grab something and he jumped back when I said, whoa. Look at all this, y'all. Look at that. What in the world have I got myself into? Whoa. Whoa. That's a lot of stuff, y'all. Let me let y'all see. You gonna be able to put that together?
I don't know. I was just looking at all these small pieces, and I know it's gonna be something difficult.
Whoa, look at that. It's got, there's the screws right there. The instructions. The instructions right here. Whoa, just putting these drawers together. I think I could do that part. Do not return to the store. What? I didn't get it from the store. They shipped it to me. Okay, all right. You can do it the left side or the right side, whichever way. All right, we're gonna do it on the left side. We want the drawers on the left side. All right, so there we go. That's what it's looking like right there. So we're gonna try to get everything together, and once we get a little bit going, we're gonna check back in and let y'all check it out. Oh, I couldn't throw this in the trash. I thought this was a piece of cardboard. It looked like it. That's a D. You got D's over there? Throw some D's on it.
That's what it is.
So basically, I'ma just let him tell me what to do. Basically.
Alright, so we get L and 4 cam screws, which are labeled S,
The cam screws are labeled S.
into 4 plastic inserts.
These are cam screws.
Also gonna need a Phillips and a flathead.
I got no flathead, but that flathead. And oh, actually, we do got that other thing.
Maybe we should have brought some good screwdriver.
So what you trying to say?
I don't know.
I told you I would need you to help me do stuff, right?
I didn't wash it. I guess it was built in.
You wanna go get it? So we're gonna go all the way out of town and come back in town because we're gonna go get tools. We'll be back though.
And I can get all.
very low. So we're gonna check back in once we make a little bit more progress. Y'all look, I don't know where he got all that reading directions from, because y'all know your girl don't like to read directions. But look at what we got it so far. We did have an issue though. This right here, it don't want to go all the way down there because it's off at the bottom. Like as you see, this one is flush with the back, and this one right here is up too far. Don't know why, but we gonna work with it though. Man, y'all, do y'all know what time it is? Me and my son been over here all this time. If it weren't for him, I would have packed all this stuff up and be like, I'm taking it back. I'm taking it back. But I'm going to let y'all check it out. Here it is right here. It kind of looks like a vanity. It kind of looks like a vanity. But this is the first sewing thing. I put the name of it. Here it is right here. It's the Sullivan's. Right here. Sullivan's portable sewing table. Right here. So this is what it's looking like right here. And it kind of looks like a desk. So that was one of the reasons that I got it. It's got the drawers over here. So you can put all of your whatever's in it. But just wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. Let me let y'all see. Check this out. It's really like a transformer, y'all. I don't know if y'all. I know I might be showing my age, but the Transformers used to come on when I was growing up, and I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna let y'all see. Watch this, okay? I'm done for today, so I'm gonna move this chair out the way. I'm gonna take this right here. I'm gonna fold it in right here. And I'm gonna drop it down like that. Boom. And look at this. Look how small it is, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all where it can be stored at. It's a little small area because it's got wheels all around it. So we're gonna just slide it up through here. Turn it sideways. Slide it up through here, and let me see. Is it gonna go in here? Alright, so my dream of it was to slide it through here like that. Let me see. Let me see what I can do with this. Because this do have a little bit more space over here. So my plan was, I was like, I could slide it right off in here. And it'll look kind of neat. Because you see it's got the drawers right there. And I just dropped something right here. But as you see how it is? I don't know. I might have to slide this over this way a little bit more. But I think it'll have a neat effect to it. Like when it's not in use, it'll be right there. And some of the things that I did have up on this other table was this right here. I had, let me see, it was just like this. This was in the back. That was right there. Just, kind of decorate a little bit. Boom. That's what it's looking like right there. He should be right here. This dude right here, who look like he don't want to do nothing, but if you challenge him enough, he will. That dude right there is really good at putting stuff together. I was just talking to him. I'm like, dude, you can be a professional installer. You know how when you buy products, even on Amazon, they have where you can get it professionally installed. And I'm like, yeah, that's the dude. This the dude for that right there. So yeah, that's something he may be looking into. But this what it's looking like right now with that right here. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like that better, or do y'all like this table, the portable table, better right there? Just y'all let me know. And then when I'm sewing or whatever, I can slide that thing out and just work. But I appreciate y'all. And one tip I would like to give y'all when y'all putting this thing together right here, when y'all putting this thing right here together, the holes do not line up wrong. All the holes lined up right. Everything lined up right on it. It was only one thing that might have been questionable, but it ended up working out. But if something is lining up wrong, it's backwards or something. Because we actually had to take it apart. I mean, this thing was kind of challenging to put together, but it wasn't like hard. It was just like, okay, do this go this way or do it go this way? But that's all I want to tell y'all on as far as tips. And I'm gonna let you want to do the outro? Yeah, look, your show Ride, you representing Ride Beats Daily Grind with that show. You want to do the outro, son?
And Print Squad out.